back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new video and it will be a beauty video. I'm super excited to share this one with you all because I barely do my nails professionally at a salon because I don't have the time or I'm too lazy, and it's like super expensive here in Switzerland. If you want to do one set of your nails, it can cost probably over 100. In Korea, they brought out this technology where you can DIY your nails at home. Super excited to try them out with you guys today, and I'm looking sort of tired right now. I actually just finished my exams. I'm still sort of recovering, but it's time to take care of myself, so I'm going to do my nails with you all and we'll test it out whether it works well, so you guys can then do them at home as well. Let's see how it goes. Let's dive into the video. So this is how the nail set looks like. I chose this super cute design, bluish pinkish with a little bit of purple. I truly love it because it's not too much. It's perfect for everyday life and for professional setting as well. There's everything in the set, from the nail file to the nail cleanser and also a wooden stick. I will show you guys in a bit how it works. And if you buy the UV lamp along, it comes with a USB cable, so you really don't need to worry about anything. It's super convenient. I'm giving this instruction a go. It's my first time using this, so I'm kind of nervous. I'm looking whether the lights work on the UV lamp. Everything is set, so I'm super excited to start. So step 1 is for sure that you will use the nail cleanser to get rid of any excessive moisture on your nail. Because I really don't have anything on my nails right now, I will just use one of them, and I'm just going through all of my nails through fully to get rid of any moisture. I've always wanted to try this DIY gel nails, and I'm so happy to finally get to give this a try. All thanks to GEMHOUR, I get this opportunity to test them out, and let's see how it goes. I just unpacked the tools that we will need, and this is the design that I chose. First, you just get rid of that sticker on top, and then you choose one that fits the form of your nail, and you just apply it on your nail. And please make sure that it is sticking on your nails. I'm using this wooden stick that they gave along, and go around the corners to make sure that there's no air inside and that it's really sticking on my nails. I was first unsure whether I can press like harshly on it, but after I did it, it works perfectly. And afterwards, you just file off the excessive sticker off your nail, and then you can just put it below the UV lamp. Don't you think this is so fascinating as well? How fast, neat, and at the same time beautiful it looks like. I'm quickly finishing off the remaining nails. I'm just going to repeat the steps that I have just showed you guys by taking off the stickers, putting on your nails, and making sure that it is sticking on my nails, and then just getting rid of the excessive sticker and then just putting it below the UV lamp. I honestly fell in love with doing my nails this way. It's super fast, so neat, and the best thing is you can do it yourself at home. You don't need to go to the salon and pay for expensive nail sets. Instead, you can choose the designs that they offer you. Over 500 designs does GEMHOUR offer. I will link it all down below. Comment down below whether you actually have tried this before or you usually go to the salon. If so, how many times do you actually go? At least I have found my new favorite way to get my nails done. I love this design so much. Each time I look at my nails, I feel so much joy. Let me know what you think in the comments, whether you would do them as well. And see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, goodbye, bye bye.